Welcome to Go To Product. Today, I bring you a comparison of the top 5 waterproof cameras on Amazon, and I'll share my personal opinion on each. Want to know which one is the best? Follow along and find out. At the end of the video, you'll see the final ranking with scores for each model. In the video description, you'll find purchase links if you're interested in any of these waterproof cameras. Let's get started. The first, GoPro Hero 13 Black, the ultimate waterproof camera designed to turn every splash, dive, or wild adventure into cinematic gold. Whether you are jumping off cliffs, surfing massive waves, or just capturing a family day at the pool, this little powerhouse delivers mind-blowing 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, giving you ultra-crisp, detailed footage that looks straight out of a movie. Built with GoPro's legendary toughness, it laughs in the face of harsh weather and extreme conditions, making it the perfect companion for thrill-seekers and storytellers who never sit still. What makes it even more exciting is its compatibility with the brand-new HB series lenses, which open up a whole world of creative possibilities. Think jaw-dropping point-of-view shots, cinematic widescreen effects, smooth motion blur with neutral density filters, and even super close-up focus for capturing the tiniest details. The new and improved Enduro battery ensures that the fun does not stop, offering longer recording times even when the weather is less than ideal, and thanks to the redesigned mounting system, you now have more ways than ever to secure your camera exactly where you need it. On top of that, Hero 13 Black includes all the classic GoPro magic. Award-winning hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization that keeps your footage buttery smooth no matter how intense the action gets, automatic highlight videos that practically edit themselves, and the ability to upload everything directly to the cloud so you can relive your adventures instantly. The second, DJI Osmo Action 4. Get ready to dive into action with the DJI Osmo Action 4, a waterproof camera that is as bold and brilliant as your wildest adventures. This rugged little beast captures every moment in dazzling 4K with an impressive 120 frames per second, thanks to its large 1/1.3-inch sensor that delivers jaw-dropping clarity even in the lowest light. Whether you are chasing the golden glow of sunrise or the electric hues of sunset, its 10-bit and D-Log M color performance makes every frame look like a masterpiece painted by nature itself. The ultra-wide 155-degree field of view throws you right into the heart of the action, whether you are catching waves, shredding skate parks, or leaping into mountain streams. No need to worry about freezing temperatures or short battery life, because this camera laughs in the face of -20 degrees Celsius and records for up to 150 minutes without breaking a sweat. With a slick magnetic quick-release system, switching between horizontal and vertical shots takes only seconds, giving you the freedom to create from any angle with zero hassle. Smooth footage is guaranteed, no matter how wild the ride gets, thanks to 3 rock-solid stabilization modes that keep everything steady and sharp. Vloggers and streamers will love the direct connection to DJI microphones for crisp, clean audio without bulky setups, and the new pre-record feature means you will never miss that once-in-a-lifetime moment again, even if you hit record a little late. The third, Tupsio, a rugged little powerhouse that fits in your pocket but packs a serious punch for any wild adventure you throw its way. Whether you are plunging 33 feet underwater, hiking dusty trails, or accidentally dropping it from a 4-foot height, this camera handles it all without breaking a sweat. With the ability to shoot jaw-dropping 8,000 resolution videos and snap massive 70-megapixel photos, every frame is bursting with detail, color, and clarity, making your travel memories feel larger than life. Its autofocus locks on like a pro, and the macro mode lets you zoom in as close as 1.97 inches to catch the tiniest wonders, from the swirl of coral reefs to the shimmer of fish scales. With a powerful battery that records for 2.5 hours straight, a built-in SOS flashlight for emergencies, and a generous 32GB memory card that can hold up to 8,000 photos, you are more than covered for epic adventures. And thanks to its upgraded design featuring a high-definition front and rear screen with a wider 4:3 ratio, your view is bigger, brighter, and better than ever. From fearless explorers to curious kids, this camera is made for anyone who wants to capture life's most exciting moments with crystal-clear perfection and a whole lot of fun. The fourth, Insta360 Ace Pro. Introducing the Insta360 Ace Pro, a waterproof action camera that feels like it was forged in a secret lab for adventurers who demand nothing less than cinematic perfection. With a massive 1/1.3-inch sensor and an ultra-smart 5nm AI chip, this beast captures more light, more detail, and more magic, even when the sun calls it a day. Partnered with a legendary Leica Summerit lens, every frame looks like it was plucked straight from a high-end photo exhibition. Whether you are filming silky smooth slow motion at 120 frames per second in stunning 4K or diving into the depths with its groundbreaking pure video mode, This camera shines in both daylight and darkness. The 2.4-inch flip touchscreen gives you total control over your shots from any angle, while its magnetic mounting system makes switching accessories as fun and easy as snapping together building blocks. With built-in features like gesture control, clarity zoom, and pause recording, it feels more like having a film crew in your pocket than a camera in your hand. The flow state stabilization keeps everything rock steady, even when your adventure turns wild, and it stays tough through underwater escapades and freezing temperatures down to minus 20 degrees Celsius. To top it all off, the AI steps in like your personal editor, automatically creating highlight reels that are ready to share through the Insta360 app. The fifth, OM System Tough TG7, the waterproof camera that feels more like a fearless explorer than a gadget. Built to handle just about anything you throw at it, this rugged little champion is waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, crushproof, and freeze-proof, ready to brave snowstorms, survive underwater adventures, and laugh off accidental drops without breaking a sweat. Whether you are hiking through muddy trails, diving into coral reefs, or skiing down icy slopes, the TG7 is always up for the challenge. It weighs only 249 grams, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to slip into your pocket or backpack, yet it is tough enough to withstand up to 100 kilograms of crushing force in temperatures as low as minus 10 degrees Celsius. Filmmakers and storytellers will love its creative shooting modes, including crisp 4K video, sweeping panoramas, and high-speed movie options that capture every thrilling second in vivid clarity. But what truly sets the TG7 apart is its variable macro system, which transforms it into a microscope for the outdoors, letting you get up close and personal with the tiniest details. Think dewdrops on leaves, grains of sand, or the complex texture of a butterfly's wing. This camera turns the ordinary into the extraordinary, all while handling nature's extremes like a pro. Whether you are an adventure junkie, a nature enthusiast, or just someone who wants to turn life's moments into lasting memories. And now that we have described each product, let's see for which case each one is a good option. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any new release. GoPro packs serious power into the Hero 13 Black with stunning 5.3K video, strong stabilization, and excellent durability. It is perfect for creators, but the high price might not suit everyone. I give it 4 stars. DJI impresses with the Osmo Action 4's low-light performance, cold resistance, and magnetic mount system. It is great for action lovers, though the missing app on Google Play can be a hassle. I give it 4.5 stars. Tupsio offers an affordable option with 8K video, macro shots, and kid-friendly design. It is fun and practical, but the build feels basic and image quality varies. I give it 3.5 stars. Insta360 delivers premium quality with the Ace Pro's big sensor, Leica lens, and AI features. It is perfect for tech-savvy users, though a bit pricey and complex for beginners. I give it 4.5 stars. OM System makes the TG7 tough and reliable, with great macro features and portability. It handles extreme conditions well, but video features are more limited. I give it 4 stars. And that's it for the comparison of the top 5 waterproof cameras. See you in the next video. Goodbye.